Alright, welcome again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, guys. And today also let's have a look at the gold market over here, and let's find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours, probably like within 24 hours. Let's have a look at the charts and chart trading setups that we can take some within 24 hours, like scalping trades, short-term day trading analysis. Like we might be able to hold our trades like 3 to 5 hours, like that stuff, right? So before we continue the today analysis, and if you can remember my previous analysis, which is this one over here, exactly this one, like 6 days ago, the analysis video, you can see now current market situation. We predicted that this market downtrend will continue, but with long up and down waves, right? You can watch that video 6 days ago. Now you can see exactly as we predicted, up and down waves has been continued until today. So let's find out what will happen to the market right now from now on, right? So when looking at the large scale from here to here, we can see a downtrend but with clear up and down waves, which means it's struggling of both buyers and sellers, right? This is a downtrend, right? Yeah, of course it's a downtrend obviously, but we can assume that these sellers are weak, or we can call it is struggling of buyers and sellers within this market down move. Like we can expect that the sellers are about to give up the market over here. So that means buyers are trying to take a control of the market. So that means they are going to make a new uptrend. But before that, we might able to see a more market up and down move in the same area. You can see this is the previous last lowest low point over here, and after that sellers try to break through the lines couple of times but failed. So this is a high volume area, high volatility area for me, right? So this is indicates for me that yeah, buyers are preparing, buyers are still preparing. So within that preparing period, we could be able to see up move, down moves, like that stuff. So those up and down trends, we can make some scalping trades, short-term trading, short trades, and as well long trades too, buying and selling trades too. So what are the main up and down reversing points for the next couple of hours, like within 24 hours? So we might be able to see another down wave, just like this one, the previous downtrend, right? It's been preparing. So within that downtrend, we could be able to see another market up wave just around here, right? This is another up wave area for like short-term period of time. Like market will touch this area and reverse to the upside, right? So mainly I'm expecting a downtrend, right? So once market reach to this area, yeah, there will be another up move, and then the market will comes down again, and there will be another market up wave around here, right? So these are the main up reversing points for me for the next couple of hours, like 24 hours. And answer, if market goes up without touching those areas, so after touch these areas, after market reach to these areas, at least one, right? If market goes up, if market continues to make a new uptrend just like this, you can see the market just continuously up from here, right, to here. Yeah, there are some market consolidations, up and down moves, just like that. If market continues to up, like market just touches the line and comes up, then we might be able to see another market down move, like around yeah, this area, right? This kind of a market high volume area. It's not about support or resistance lines areas, right? I always told about that in the previous videos too. I'm not looking at actually support or resistance lines, because the reason is the most of traders that thinks that always market just reversing the areas of support or resistance lines. It's not about that. The market doesn't reverse always in the support or resistance lines. We have to go more than that. So the reason that I'm saying the market might go down around here, this area is a high volume area. You can see the previous trend over here. Market has been much consolidation, which means so much buyers and sellers activity. So once market reached around here, we might be able to see again that part over here. So these are the main up and down reversing points for me for the next couple of hours. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video. Keep eye on these reversing areas. Stay tuned, guys.